The lick you just saw was in the key of G and uses the G country scale, which goes like this. We're starting off with the 3rd fret of the low E string, open A string, 1st fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the A string, open D string, 2nd fret D string, open G string. The lick again sounds like this. We're going to start off by placing our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string. Play a downstroke with the right hand and then another downstroke playing the open A string. Then apply your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the A string and then hammer your middle finger onto the 2nd fret. That's down, down, up, hammer with the right hand. Then we're going to play an upstroke on the open D string, a downstroke on the 2nd fret, and then pull off, and then lastly a downstroke on the open G string. That was a demonstration of a country lick in the key of G using the G country scale.